Throughout the world, one woman dies during childbirth every 90 seconds, and the United States is actually seeing an increase in maternal mortality rates in recent decades. The World Health Organization reports that with a rate of 11 deaths per 100,000 pregnancies, the United States ranks behind 40 other countries. Some health officials say that this could be due to an increase in age of pregnant women, obesity, diabetes, and the number of C-sections and induced labors. In just California alone, the number of women who die during or after pregnancy has nearly tripled in just the past 10 years. Some experts say that many of these deaths could have been prevented. Meanwhile, in Belize, maternal mortality rates are said to be decreasing thanks to programs focused on educating women about the importance of proper maternal care. The country is improving the accessibility of healthcare for expecting mothers and making sure there are enough facilities, personnel, and tools readily available for these women. One of the biggest issues in Belize is that women are waiting until they're actually in labor before they even see a doctor for the first time. So educating these women on these issues is one of the key components in Belize's plan to reducing their maternal mortality rate. See you in late January as I head to Belize to begin my reporting on this critical issue.